In this YouTube tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of signing up for and using the virtual PDF document AI Assistant. To get started, you'll need to create an account. This will allow you to upload your own PDF documents and save your conversations. To sign up, go to the top menu and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, such as your name, email, and password. Once you're signed up, navigate to the My Dashboard section. Here, you can see how many documents you've saved, how many you have left to upload, and how many questions you have remaining. If you ever want to change your plan, you can do so at any time. To access your dashboard, you can use the left-hand side menu if you're on a desktop or the top menu if you're on a mobile device. To start using the platform, begin by uploading your first PDF document. Choose the file you want to upload, enter a short description for the document, and give it a name. Then, press the Process a File button. Depending on the file size, it may take around a minute for the file to be processed and ready for chat. Next, go to the Chat with My PDF section. Select the document you want to interact with from the drop-down menu at the top of the chat window. Start writing your first question to the assistant. When speaking to the assistant, feel free to communicate in a natural and conversational manner. Be constructive and creative, and ask any questions you'd like. If you ever want to open the actual PDF file, simply navigate to the My PDFs section. That's it. You're now ready to sign up and use the virtual PDF document AI Assistant. Enjoy exploring its features and capabilities.